This is the Object 279. If I were to sum up this entire tank in one word, it would be... what? I know that is a weird word to summarize a tank with, but let me elaborate with my absolutely terrible gameplay. Damn, the new UN World War III business strategy is crazy. How many were there? Goodbye. This thing is just so good. Close to a nuke. This thing, first off, is almost completely bomb-proof. The only bombs that can reliably kill it is a Fab 1500 and above. The SC 1000 is a 50-50 and so is a 2000 pound. And it completely survives the Fab 1000, as shown here. This makes you borderline immune to Kaz. So, Spookston, if you're watching, here is your perfect tank. And you also can't forget the fact this thing is almost completely immune to any full caliber shells, and even APDS will struggle to penetrate. Oh, too late. I saw him way too late.
Oh my god, young man.
Excuse me.
Kill yourself!
What?
Nuclear device.
Bit of a risky push to pull, but it worked. What? How'd they only take up their track? Hold there for a second now. Made a bit of a mistake there, man. Not good. Not good.
Gentlemen, it's a nuclear device. Time is running out. Time is running out. Gentlemen, it's a nuclear device.
Did I have a nuke? I'm not sure. I probably did. Now this thing is surprisingly quick. So much so that honestly it would come to me as no surprise if this thing had a cameo in the next Fast and Furious movie, where Vin Diesel runs over multiple expendable goons sent to kill him, after stealing this tank from some facility hidden deep in the heart of the Siberian tundra. Its mobility is comparable to that of a Leopard 1, and it has fantastic gearing too, meaning you'll keep almost 100% of your power at all speeds. And it gets crazier. 130mm it mounts is by far the most satisfying gun in the game. It honestly surprises me that no videos on TikTok have popped up where a 279 shooting tanks is at the top and Subway Surfers is at the bottom. It will one-shot if it penetrates, thanks to overpressure, and also, thanks to its insane penetration, which makes even some of the best APDS look puny, it should most likely penetrate consistently too. Oh, nice. With Hish. Nice. What is he doing? I thought that was a friendly until I looked at the minimap and realized, oh shit, that's actually an enemy. Just let me get rid of them. Now, a lot of people say that suffers from BR compression, and that is useless in full up tiers. But honestly, I don't get that. It's just a matter of changing your playstyle from relying on your armor in full down tiers to playing like you're a Leopard A1 in full up tiers where your armor is not quite as useful. But you still have comparable mobility and gun to an A1. And most of all, I just think it's neat. I usually don't play to be good because frankly I am a terrible player. I play tanks because I find them stupid in one aspect or another, and I exploit that as great as I can. I'm not lying to you when I say that I wanted the Object 279, not because it's a good tank, but because the fact that it's almost completely immune to bombs is just too silly for me to not want. Where is like the entire enemy team? Like, they have still quite a few left. Where is everyone? Still not been bothered out. How about use reverse psychology? Why has the Merkava got to be so tanky?
Page, wow. I read about...
And on that note, just remember, it's a game, not a job. The most important thing you can do is have fun. And on that, I'll see you next time.